so much, ACE Update Architecture and Design Series, for inviting me on this special session. And thank you so much, as the topic is very beautiful, that securing structural stability or structural excellence. As this is a rainy season, and you might all aware that in MMR region, I think at least one incident you might have all heard, that you find the collapse of, let's say, hoarding structure or a bridge or any building. So I think this is a perfect time to share our thoughts. So my topic is securing the structural stability with the proactive maintenance. So let's go with the content of my today's presentation, like introduction, type of structures, key maintenance practices, inspection techniques, preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, predictive maintenance, common challenges which a professional is facing, especially in MMR region, the best practices, what we can advise, what we can suggest to the professionals, and the conclusion of my today's talk. So starting with the introduction, what is structural excellence? So all might be aware that it refers to the optimal condition of the structure for it is designed for. And it always meets or not exceed the safety, durability, and functional requirement over its intended lifespan. Next is like, why is maintaining structural excellence is crucial. Of course, to maintain the structural excellence is crucial for the safety of the occupants, minimizing the repair cost and extending the life of the structure. Or what I can say, at least to remain the life of the structure for what it has been designed for. Overview of the key maintenance practices. Of course, this presentation will explore the various maintenance practices that are essential for the sustaining structural excellence or structural stability, what you can say, and the integration of modern technologies for predictive maintenance. Of course, the goal is to provide the comprehensive understanding of how the proactive maintenance contributes to the longevity and safety of the structures. Let's understand the type of the structure, like basic, let's say, buildings. Of course, residential homes or a commercial skyscrapers or a composite like residential or commercial or industrial, which upkeep to ensure the safety and functionality. Then bridges, of course, bridges always play the vital role for the transportation networks, and their inspection and maintenance needs due to their exposure to the heavy loads and environmental factors. Like 2 months back only, we heard that more than 12 bridges has been collapsed in the state, not in our state, but in, let's say, dams needs a rigorous monitoring to prevent the structural failures. Of course, dams are the critical for the water management and energy generation. Towers, including communication towers or observation towers, face challenges like wind and weathering that can affect their stability. Industrial structures such as factories, warehouse, PEBs these days requires a specialized maintenance to withstand harsh operational condition and ensure the worker safety. Understanding the key maintenance practices. Of course, first is a regular inspection. If the diagnosis is not correct, then the treatment won't be given properly. So the regular inspection always plays the important role, involving the scheduled routine checkups, which detect the early signs of wear and tear, damages, and potential failure. Preventive maintenance. So, like someone beautifully said, like prevention is always better than cure. So the key maintenance include the preventive maintenance, which is focuses on routine upkeep activities such as cleaning, sealing the gaps, voids, or minor repairs, which are designed to prevent more significant issues from arising. Corrective maintenance is what I believe is called as treatment, necessarily when unexpected damages occurs requiring immediate repairs, like rainy season, leakages start. So immediate repairs to restore the structure's integrity. Corrective maintenance and the predictive maintenance leverages the modern technologies and anticipating and predicting the problems before they occur. Using the data-driven insights to guide maintenance decision. Together, these like basic four practices can form a comprehensive approach so that the structures will remain safe, functional, and durable throughout their lifespan. Now, understanding the inspection techniques, first come always a visual inspection, the most basic but yet essential method, allowing for the detection of the obvious issues such as cracks, corrosion, any misalignments, seepage, leakage, or dampness. Next is non-destructive testing, of course, for a deeper insights like ultrasonic test or magnetic particle testing, dye penetration testing, any radiographic, which help to identify the internal flaws, but of course, without damaging the existing structure. Now comes with the structural health monitoring, which take the inspection to the, of course, the next level by using the embedded sensors and technologies to continuously monitor the condition of the structure in real time, which always detect the changes that could indicate a potential problems. Nowadays, in last, what say, from decade itself, they started the drone inspections, which is increasingly popular for assessing hard to reach the areas. Like recently, just want to tell you that we had done some inspection for the ESR, where it was very difficult to hard to reach areas, so that provide the detailed aerial surveys that can reveal issues not visible from the ground. So drone inspections, becoming popular day by day. So together, this inspection technique can ensure the comprehensive understanding of the structure's conditions. So this is like angiography of a human body. Like inspections can be done properly. Unless and until inspection won't be done in a proper way, the treatment won't be given correctly. Now let's understand the preventive maintenance. What I mean is like regular cleaning is a key aspect involving the debris, dust, dirt, and contaminants that can lead to the deterioration, especially the areas which are exposed to the atmosphere or environment. Surface protection becoming popular. People are protect using the protective coatings, paints. Of course, earlier the paints are just used for the aesthetic purpose, but nowadays they are the providing a protective coatings as well, like providing anti-algal, anti-peeling or waterproofing properties to the existing structures, and sealants like to for materials like concrete and steel, weathering and environmental factors. Joint maintenance, maintaining joints including expansion joints and sealants, which can accommodate the movements due to the temperature changes or loads without cracking. Corrosion control like CP system, cathodic protection system, using like caplets. Recently, we have used power throw caplets in our some projects in Mumbai itself. So anti-corrosion coatings as well to preserve the integrity of the metallic components. So these preventive measures are not only extend the lifespan of the structure, but also reduce the likelihood of costly repairs, or one can say the catastrophic failures. Corrective maintenance, when we talk about the corrective maintenance, we call it as a treatment. So the repair techniques such as patching cracks, in monsoon season, you might see the potholes everywhere and, patchwork is going on. Or resurfacing damaged areas, like when we go for the restoration of the RCC building, if you are traveling in a by road, you will see the patchwork going on in the RCC buildings. Replacement, in some cases, many times patchwork won't suffice the purpose. So components that are too damaged or let's say it is beyond the logical and economical repairing patchwork, then replacement entirely replace the complete surface or complete that particular member. Reinforcement now might be necessary to strengthen the weak areas that are prone to the stress or have been compromised due to the like various reasons. So the corrective maintenance ensure that any detected issues are promptly and effectively addressed, preventing minor problems from escalating into the major structural failures. Third one is predictive maintenance, like technological integration. Zamana, like integration of IoT sensors, data analytics, and AI. They are continuously monitor the condition of the structures. Data-driven decisions, these technologies collect and analyze the data, real-time data. They always detect the patterns such as like unusual vibrations, temperature changes, or material stress. By leveraging this data, maintenance teams can make informed, data-driven decisions and addressing potential issues proactively rather than reacting to the failures. So we are predicting the collapse pattern or something which is going to happen wrong, and accordingly we are doing the maintenance program. So the predictive maintenance is not only helps in reducing the downtime and repair cost, but also significantly enhance the safety and reliability of the structures. Many case studies have shown that the structures equipped with the predictive maintenance experience fewer unexpected failures and maintain higher level of performance over time. Many challenges, common challenges which one is facing is like the aging infrastructure. Of course, one of the most significant challenges as older the structure often faces related material degradation, outdated design standards, wear and tear over time. Environmental factors such as extreme weather condition, alternate free throw cycle, seismic activity, exposure to the moisture. So let's say if someone is considering the MMR region, so the condition of the building in Mumbai or let's say in Nasik or Nagpur or Jalgaon will be different due to the exposure of moisture. Material degradation, including concrete spalling, steel corrosion, wood rot is another persistent issue that can compromise structural integrity if not addressed promptly. Human factors such as improper uses or let's say overloading, lack of regular maintenance, these activities can further exacerbate these problems. So understanding this challenge is essential for developing the effective maintenance strategies which can mitigate risk and extend the life of the structure. What best practices we believe that comprehensive planning like involves developing a detailed maintenance strategy which include the routine and periodic maintenance. Like we used to audit the main various RCC buildings, like so cooperative housing societies. So we always give them do's and don'ts for the routine and periodic maintenance. Collaboration, of course, including engineers for the assessment, inspectors for actual conducting testing on the site, facility managers, material manufacturers, from routine checks to all emergency repairs. So all the stakeholders to come together and do the collaboration for the safety, for the human life, and to avoid the big property losses. Continuous improvement, of course, involving an adoption of always new technologies, techniques, and insights gained from the past experiences to enhance the maintenance process. Even our SSR is also adopting all such new items or application of new items. So continuous improvement is the best practice, is what I believe. So come to the conclusion. So the maintaining structural excellence is a multifaceted process that encompasses the regular inspections, preventive and corrective maintenance, and that is the integration of advanced technologies for the predictive maintenance. The importance of the proactive maintenance, like considering all the three different types of maintenance, cannot be overstated, as it helps to prevent the costly repairs, ensures operational efficiency, and protect both users as well as the investment as well. So as we move forward, embracing continuous improvement and staying abreast of the technological advancements will be crucial for achieving and sustaining structural excellence. So let's commit to applying this principle to safeguard our infrastructure and promote long term. So thank you. Here I conclude my.
Thank you, Mr. Karnavat, for significant contribution on securing structural stability with proactive maintenance.